So, welcome back everybody. If you watched the last video about the Denali, this is about 10 minutes after that. We couldn't wait to do an exhaust video, so we're gonna get like a whole setup right here. We're gonna do start up, couple revs, slow takeoff. I'll come back kind of slow, and I'll drive up and pass so you can kind of see what it sounds like, and then I'll turn around. I'll come back down this way and give it a little bit of beans and hear what it sounds like when we open it up. Yeah, let's get to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it. So if you're wondering, this is a, like I said in the last video, it's an MBRP 3.5 inch installer series. So pretty much pipe, gets rid of the stock muffler, nice little like a flow through design like a Borla, and then it gets rid of the resonator, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is bone stock, I'm sure. So yeah, like I said before, like and subscribe, it helps us out a lot. Yeah, thanks for watching.